Hi guys, welcome back to another video with a gift. I haven't been posted lately, and I haven't been playing Chocobo lately either. But anyway, if you want to, oh, it's after, oh my god, wait, that's not, why is there Hello Kitty stuff? I already got all of this. What the heck? I already got everything. Like, what? You was on the old Hello stuff? I think, I don't know, whatever. Nothing is good. Sorry. Anyways, whatever. This whole way. I'm going to take everything out of this bag and just use a bag. This smooth. Oh, there we go. Finally. Then the cake. Are you serious? Now it's gonna keep bag in there. Go away. What the hell is that? Anytime. Still no? That's it. This is just chaos. That was 2025 stuff. I mean 2026. 2026. Oh man, I'm gonna make a video. I probably was like, I'll like a minute or two. Anyways, why does it make the sky black? And then I'm not. Did I finish myself or did I just? Oh yeah, I would just finish myself. You know, it's a normal night. They're fine. It's chilling. Oh yeah. Ignore you. Ignore. Sorry. Um, I was doing pictures for a video that was coming out soon, and I forgot that I had those still there. You might be familiar with one of those characters. Let's ignore that. Anyways. Alright, I'm gonna get ready for bed. I don't have a toothbrush for her, but that's fine. Probably worth it. That's probably it, but okay. What do I want to do? On my tablet. I'm just over here where there's actually like. Where's Bobby? Oh, she's already asleep. So she's awake now. Yeah. Mommy's just gonna be here. Doing that. That's Huh? Oh, my light turned off. Let me try to keep it off. What? Why isn't it turning back on? What the heck? Turn on. Is it broken? Okay. I could help her turn off. Hello? This is gotta be some sick thing. Oh, that's not. Mom, my lights turned off and my tablet died. Oh, have you not heard the news? No, I haven't. Okay, good. I'll show you. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm so sorry I haven't been posting lately. I feel so bad for not posting. I'm terribly sorry. No, turn off. The lights are out. No one, no lights. No, the kids. No, whatever. Wait, they don't have a TV. Hit the pause button. Oh my god, I'm confused. Why didn't I add a TV to the house? I guess I'll just use the starter TV because I don't like any of these. And most of it are cute. I like it. Oh, oh, go back. It wasn't. I had two plants behind there so I could cover up the pots, not basement. Close the door. I'm gonna go light up for somebody. Still have a little bit of power stuff to make it because your tablet just died. Okay, quick. Well, breaking news. Will be a giant snowstorm hitting Coca Town. All of our internet will go out. It'll be very cold and there'll be a lot of snow. If you have a basement, go there. Or like any sort of protection or a little hideout area. Go there immediately. I repeat, go there immediately. This is your only warning. So go, this is your last warning. Go there immediately. If you don't, just don't go somewhere high and stay on the ground. I repeat, don't go anywhere high and stay on the ground. That's all for today's news. What? That's it? We should stay here. It's not just from our door. Okay. 1 hour later. Mom, I'm gonna use the bathroom. Okay, honey, be safe. Okay. Huh? What's that? I thought I heard some, like, footsteps. Maybe I'm just imagining things. It's just snow out there. I shouldn't think about too much. I'll just wait for you to get back. Okay, I'll go into the there we go. Okay, now, oh yeah, I have a candle that has a really thing. Wow, it's really cold out there. I should probably put on this if I'm going out there. And also my hat. My hat? Or head. Is, done with this already? It's really cold though, I'm scared. I'm fine. Okay, do I like this hat or this one? I like this one. Because what side I keep it on? What do we do here? But this is not a part of it. Anyway, who records? I mean, Who looks good enough for this? I'm trying to look for someone that actually looks normal. Talk about the down on fence, but I don't think you're really good at making it look normal. Next one, see look normal. Oh gosh, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Okay, so maybe just one of you. And you may be familiar with this person. Yeah. Oh, Mason, what are you doing at my house? Oh, I was just coming to stop by. On my balcony. Isn't that kind of suspicious? No, it's not suspicious at all. Anyways, I prefer to stop by, that's all. That's all. Well, I'm gonna head back inside. Oh wait, I actually needed something important. Important? What could you possibly want me to do? Trust me. But you're still my ex, remember that. I do. I do remember that. But that doesn't matter. Come on. Actually, I think I'm just gonna head back inside. You should go home too, you know. It's nice and warm and cozy. Yeah, that's not happening. What do you mean that's not happening? You have to come back. You cannot stay here. Look, it's getting cold. You should go back to your home. You're gonna freeze. Angel, look, I want to show you something cool. No legs. Hey. Hey! Oh, sorry. Trying to find it. Where are you taking me? Let me go. What's the time? That is him. There. Why did you just kidnap me? Just left my tablet, so now I can't contact anyone. Why? It doesn't matter. No, you're staying here. It's actually safe. Safe? Fine. Look here. Anyways, well, I'm gonna give you going back home. Have a good night. Wait! You're just gonna leave me here? I mean, why not? You can't just leave here. Wait. I could do what I want. Thanks, sweetheart. Wait! Whatever. Job done. Let's see how long it'll take me to just finally figure it out. Oh, let me help!